Hello children, in this video we are going to learn 9th standard polynomial chapter exercise 2.2. Before going to start this exercise, we have to know about the value of the polynomial and the zeros of the polynomial. Then only you can understand that exercise. First we'll see value of the polynomial means what. If p of x is a polynomial, I already told you in the last video that p of x polynomial is represented by p of x is a polynomial and a is any real number. A is any real number. A may be natural number, whole number, integer, maybe anything real number. Then the real number obtained by replacing x by a. In place of x, you have to replace a in p of x is called value of the polynomial p of x. By seeing this definition, you will not understand. Just we'll see the example, then you can understand it. See, here we have to consider one polynomial. Polynomial will be containing the variables. Here, see, variable, the value of the quadratic polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Why we represented by p of x? Because variable is x here. In place of x, any value we have to substitute, means any real value. Either it may be natural number, whole number, or integer, or irrational number. Any value if you replace in place of x, if you replace any value, after replacing we will get one real value there. That is called as a value of the polynomial. Here for example, I considered one example. P of x equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. At x equal to minus 1 means in place of x I have to replace minus 1 whole square, minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4. Like that we have to replace. After replacing you have to simplify it. Just I did it here. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. This is a given polynomial. In place of x I have to replace minus 1. So in place of x, minus 1 whole square minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4. Then 1 minus into minus will become plus 3. This is minus 4. Now 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So p of minus 1. In place of x we replaced minus 1. So in place of x I have written here minus 1. So p of minus 1 equal to 0. This is one value of the polynomial. Similarly, in place of x we have to replace 2. Second one. In the same place, x place, p of 2. In place of x, 2. 2 square minus 3 into 2 minus 4. So 2 square is 4 minus 6 minus 4. So here minus 6 minus 4. Both you have to add it. Minus 6 minus 4 will come minus 10 plus 4 will become minus 6. So p of 2 is minus 6. This is a value of the polynomial. In place of x, any real value if you replace, after that we will get one value. Those are called as a value of the polynomial. Now we will see zeros of the polynomial means what. Zeros of the polynomial means same like value of the polynomial. If you substitute any value in the place of x, you have to get the answer 0. Here see we got it. P of minus 1 equal to 0. That time this x equal to minus 1 means in place of x what we replaced here? Just you see x equal to minus 1. In place of x we replaced minus 1. Then answer you are getting 0. This x equal to minus 1 is called as a 0 of the polynomial. See here x equal to 2. We did not get 0. This is not a 0 of the polynomial. After replacing x value in the polynomial, you have to get the answer as a 0. Then only we can call that x value minus 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. Like that we will call. That only definition I have given here. A real number a is called the 0 of the polynomial p of x. If p of a means in place of x any value if you substitute, that time answer you have to get, after simplification answer you have to get 0. Then only we can call a as a 0 of the polynomial. Here also I considered the same example, but value you see, just x equal to minus 1 only I have taken because we got the answer as 0 there. I already explained you there. Now x equal to 4 we will take. X equal to 4. 4 square is 16 minus 3 4s are 12 minus 4. Now 16 minus 12 minus 4 will become 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. So x equal to 4 is also 0 of the polynomial. X equal to minus 1 is also 0 of the polynomials. Therefore minus 1 and 4 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. One more example I considered here. This is quadratic polynomial because highest degree is 2 here. Now I consider the linear polynomial p of x equal to x minus 1. Just to observe this, Here what I have to replace to get the 0 means this is called as, if you want to get the 0 of the polynomial, you have to equate this equation to 0. This polynomial, if you want to get the 0 of the polynomial means you have to equate this polynomial to 0. I equated here, just you see. 1 equal to 0. This polynomial you have to equate to 0. Then x, if I transfer minus 1 this side, it will become x equal to 1. Then x equal to 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. We will check it. When we have to say x equal to 1 is a 0 of the polynomial, in place of x, if you replace 1, you have to get answer as 0. Now I'll check it. P of x equal to x minus 1, in place of x, 1 I will write it. Then x equal 1 minus 1 is 0, so x equal to 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. How we are going to get the 0 of the polynomial? You have to equate the polynomial to 0, then you have to find the value of x, then we will get the 0 of the polynomial. For like that only we have to do for the quadratic equation also. Quadratic equation, you have to equate this to 0 and you have to find the factors. Last year you learned by factorization you are finding the x value. After getting x value, if you replace in this, you will get the 0. Then only we can call this is as a 0 of the polynomial. This is also called as a root of the polynomial. That only I have written here. We say p of x equal to 0 is a polynomial equation and 1 is a root of the polynomial equation, p of x equal to 0. So we say 1 is a 0 of the polynomial, x minus 1, or a root of the polynomial. This is also called as a root of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial or a root of the polynomial. Now we'll see the exercise 2.2, first main and a second main. First main they have given, find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to 0, means in place of x I have to replace 0, then in place of x minus 1 and in place of x 2 I have to replace, and we should solve it. Find the value of the polynomial in place of x 0, in place of x minus 1, in place of x 2. Now I will write this polynomial as a p of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now in first one I will take now. X equal to 0 I should take it. So in place of x I have to replace 0. So p of 0 is equal to 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. Now 5 into 0 is 0 minus 4 into 0 is 0 plus 3. So p of 0 is 3 is the answer. Now second one we'll see. Second one, what we have to replace in place of x? Minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to, in place of x minus 1, 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 whole square plus 3. Now 5 into minus 1 plus into minus is minus 5, here minus 4, here minus 1 square is minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus will become plus 1, so it will become 1, 1 ones are 1, so 3. Now minus 4 minus 5 minus 4, both we have to add because both are having negative sign here, so it will become minus 9 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3 will become minus 6 because bigger number is 9 here, so p of minus 1 is minus 6. Then we'll see the last one, that is x equal to 2. Third one, p of 2 we should take it. In place of x we have to replace 2. 5 into 2, in place of x 2 I am replacing, minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. Now 5 2s are 10 minus 4 into 4 plus 3, now it will become 10 minus 4 4s are 16 plus 3. Now 10 minus 10 plus 3, this is also having plus sign, this is also having plus sign. 10 plus 3 is 13 minus, so okay, I'll write 13 minus 16. So p of 2 will come 13 minus 16, bigger number is that 16 there, so minus 3 is the answer for this. These are the value of the polynomial. Like this we have to solve these sums. Next, second main what they have given, we'll see. Find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for each of the following. For all these polynomials, first you have to replace 0 in place of y. First I will consider first equation. Okay. In place of y I have to replace 0 first, then 1, then 2. Like that only we have to solve for second one, third one, fourth one. First we will solve the first one now. First one, what they have given, P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. Now I have to find P of 0. Means in place of y I have to replace 0. So 0 square minus 0 plus 1. So 0, 0, it will become 1. P of 0 is 1. Now second one I will see. Second one, sorry. In that only P of 1 I have to find it, no? P of 1. P of 1 in place of y I have to replace 1 plus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1 will become 0. So it is 1. Now P of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. These are the first sum it is. Now second one we'll see what they have given. I hope you are understanding. P of t they have given. Here variable is t. Now in place of P of t I will write of first 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube it is. Now in place of t I have to replace 0. First one. 2 plus t, 0 means, t means 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. So 2 all are 0, so answer is P of 0 is 2. Now P of 1. In place of t we have to replace 1 now. Plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. Now it will become 2 plus 1 square is 1 only. So 2 into 1 minus 1 cube is 1 only. So 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 2 ones are 2 minus 1. 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 1 is 4. P of 1. Now I'll see P of 2. If you want just to, I'll say like this, P of 1. Okay, now P of 2. P of 2 is equal to, in place of t, 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 square minus 2 cube. So 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 2, 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 4 plus 8 minus 8. So this will become minus 8 plus 8 will become 0. So answer is 4. Now third one is P of x equal to x cube is there. Now we should find P of 0 first. P of 0 is equal to 0 cube. So it will become 0 only. Now P of 1 is equal to 1 cube will become 1 only. Next P of 2. So it will become 2 cube. So it will become 8 P of 2. Now we'll see fourth sum. What they have given. This is fourth one. Fourth one, this also you should find P of 0. Here 0 minus 1. 0 plus 1. It will become minus 1. Because 0 minus 1 is minus 1 only. It will become plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Then P of 1. 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into anything is 0 only. Then P of 2. It will become 2 minus 1. 2 plus 1. So it will become 1 into 3. So it will become 3. This is P of 2. So this is a second main of the exercise. In the next video we will see the next main of this exercise. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.